Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your love and general reading. We'll see what's in store for you, Libra. This is for the next few days. This is a timeless reading. So if you're drawn to this video, you definitely will have a message. Okay. So guys, keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You can check your placements, and if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies as it suits you. Alright. So let's see, Libra, what do we have in store for my Libras? Give me a message. We'll see what do we have in store for my Libra. Okay, oh my god, too many cards. So I think I won't take any of them. What do we have in store for my Libras? Please give me a message. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. Queen of Wands. Libra, you feel stuck somewhere. You could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn or a Aries, Leo, Saggy. So you certainly feel stuck somewhere. You are waiting for something, waiting for someone to take action towards you. And you realize something in life, Libra. You are in this energy where you have realized a few things. Could be that you have come to a point where you have realized what is good for you, what is not good for you, what will serve you in the long run, and basis that you are going to make a decision. But you're still stuck somewhere. You're stuck somewhere. Some of you are waiting for a right opportunity as far as your career is concerned. You're looking for something more. You are comfortable where you are, but still I think you are not happy. So you're looking for something more. You feel that you have some goals to achieve and you feel that you are lacking behind. It's like you want to fulfill your dreams, your goals, your desires, but you feel stuck. You feel that nothing is clear. You just cannot see anything in front of you. So I see a sense of restlessness. Okay, restlessness. But somehow you have come in this energy of Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords. You have realized that you are going to do some things that gives you happiness. So you are not going to settle for anything less. Some of you could be seeking clarity from a person who is very secretive. Okay, you find somebody mysterious, Libra. Okay, there's somebody you find mysterious, or you want to know the truth. Okay, you're seeking for some truth in your relationship. You feel that this person you're dealing with, they are hiding things from you, or this person has not been transparent. Or you could be dealing with somebody who is very spiritual, not willing to take any action towards you. That could also be the thing for some of you. You want clarity. Maybe somebody has kept you stuck since a long time. You're waiting for somebody to come forward towards you, to say a yes or to move forward with you. But this person is not taking any action towards you. And you're like tired of asking them to give you the commitment. That could also be the thing. Nine of Cups. This person is somebody you really wished for. Like this person was your wish fulfillment, is your wish fulfillment. You have been praying for this person, but what is it that you have got? Death. Some of you, I think you may have ended a relationship with this person. Okay, I do see an end. So you could have broken up with this person. Things are stuck. This person has not been clear. So I do see an ending here. Or some of you're going through a major change in your life. A major change. It is like you planned your life in a certain way, but everything got disrupted and you're starting right from the scratch. So I think you had high hopes from somebody, and that thing is coming to an end, or you see that thing coming to an end. So yeah. So this could be a breakup or separation. with your loved ones. Some of you are leaving a job, or you may have left a job recently to begin fresh. That could also be the thing. King of Wands, King of Wands, the Devil, and the Star. Libra, I feel that you could be dealing with a Scorpio, an Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Saggy. This person is somebody who could be in a different relationship. Okay, somebody who kept you stuck for a long time. Things are just not moving ahead. Maybe this person is involved somewhere else, because of which things are not moving ahead for you. This person, I feel that this person has deep attraction towards you. Okay, I think this person is very attached to you. This person has a lot of physical attraction towards you. This person sees you as the star. For some of you, I feel that there is a relationship that has come to an end here. We have the Nine of Cups with a death here. So definitely you're going through the separation, divorce, breakup, whatever it is. For the others of you who are still in this relationship, I feel that this is a strong commitment, because your person sees you as a star. This person sees you as the star. They are highly attracted to you. This person is somebody who is going to put all the necessary efforts that is required to keep this relationship going. So this person is highly possessive about you, Libra. Some of you, this is like Nine of Pentacles. This person doesn't know whether you love this person or not. So you could be dealing with somebody who is focused on career. Their career is their priority. Oh my God, oh my God. Eight of Cups and Three of Swords. I don't know why I feel, Libra, that some of you, you're dealing with somebody who has left you. Look at this, Eight of Cups, Three of Swords, and Death. So I don't know, but for most of you, I feel that you're literally going through a separation or divorced or breakup. Okay, you've literally broken up with somebody you really love. This person may have chosen somebody else over you. This person feels that there is no compatibility, either emotional or physical. This person feels that you both are not compatible. Now this could be emotional compatibility is missing. This could be physical compatibility. But this person is somebody who has chosen somebody else over you. They may have left you, and look at this, Three of Swords. This person is also in pain. It's like you both are in pain, that energy. For the others of you, this could be a new relationship, but that this person is focused on career. For the others of you, this is a complete new relationship, but your partner is focused on work. Maybe because this person you're dealing with somebody who is in pain. You're dealing with somebody who is in pain, who is still stuck with an ex of theirs, because of which this person is not focusing on you. They see you as somebody who is a star. They see you as a divine soul. They see you as a loyal soul. But this person is focused on their money, not on you. And yeah, but sad. I don't know. But I feel that for most of you viewers, I feel that you guys are in pain. Look at this, the Death, Eight of Cups, Three of Swords. Somebody has left you. A relationship has come to an end. We'll see your energy. We'll see your energy. Pain is mutual. It's like you are also going through this transformation, major transformation. You feel that this person has been secretive. This person has been secretive. They never said how they feel. See? Some of you are going to move forward towards a new commitment. It is like you may have, I feel that you have got a new proposal from somebody else, but you're not interested. Look at this woman. She's just not interested. So I think there is somebody who likes you, or somebody who wants to take it ahead with you, but you are not interested because you're still stuck with this person. I think you're not ready to move on. Maybe you have left each other, but still you're stuck. Okay, you're stuck with their memories. You are still stuck on this person. You still have a hope. What if they return? Okay, that is something I see. So I think you're not focusing on anything else. Your priority is work right now. you're still waiting for somebody, Libra. It's like you have options, not that you don't have options, but you are not happy with them. It's like there may be somebody who's trying to get close to you, but you are like pushing them away. Okay, some of you are trying to reject a marriage proposal or an offer. Okay, you may have rejected or you are rejecting a marriage proposal or an offer. Wow, Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups. Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful, Libra. I speak about you and you appear in your own reading, Libra. Justice. And the final message, Eight of Pentacles. Excellent. Libra, I feel that you guys are going to be happy very soon. Very soon. Could be 8 months, could be 4 months for some of you. I think you're going to meet somebody. You're going to meet somebody, and some of you are going to reconcile with the same person. For the others of you, this is a complete new offer that is coming your way. Complete new person who is coming your way. And see, you guys are seeking clarity. You guys are seeking justice. It's like you want this person. The person who left you, you still want this person. You're not ready to move on. That is something that I see here. You're stuck on their thoughts, in their memory. You just can't get over this person. All right. So you're trying to focus on your work, on your pentacles, focusing on your business, whatever you have been doing, your job, whatever, etc. Okay. But I think you're trying to divert your mind, but deep within you still are hoping for a reconciliation with somebody who may have left you recently. And I think this person left you because of two reasons. No compatibility. Either emotional compatibility is missing or physical compatibility is missing, because of which this person left you. Okay, some of you, there is somebody who has this deep desire to get close to you, but you are like rejecting. You are not in this mood. But doesn't matter, with time, I think you are going to move away from this person. Things will get better. For others of you, I do see a new beginning with the same person. You see the Ace of Cups. It is like the person who may have left you will come back to you. But that is for very few of you, okay? I don't know why I feel that in this reading, for most of you have gone through a bitter breakup and you will meet somebody new. But like for 1% of you, there are chances of reconciliation. For 1% of you, not many. So some of you are going through this legal process of divorce, separation, etc, etc. So that is also something that I see here, Libra. So let's see what will be the advice for you. Page of Cups. See, you want to say sorry to somebody, you want to apologize, you want this person back in your life. So you feel like you don't want to give up on this person. You want to say sorry to this person. You want to work on this relationship still. Okay? It's like things have just ended, but still you are trying, Libra. You are trying. You're just not giving up on this person. Any advice for my Libra? We'll see if we have any advice for you. We'll see if we have any advice for my Libra. King of Swords. Empress. Knight of Wands, and the last card is Four of Pentacles. Okay, Libra, I feel that some of you are in this energy where you're angry on somebody. So this message is that forgive somebody. I think you have to forgive somebody in your life. Okay, somebody who has hurt you, somebody who may have ghosted you, who has left you. Okay, so you are being asked to forgive this person. There's no point in keeping this anger for this person who has put you in this position. So just forgive, Libra. Some of you are being asked to be an emperor or empress. It's like you're not sure of what you want in life. I do see a lot of confusion. You get confused very fast. You have to be in your power, Libra. It's like you should know your worth, Libra. Okay, nobody can take you for granted. You are a powerful person. You know this? You are an emperor. You are an empress. Know your worth, Libra. Okay, you're doing too much for somebody else. I think there's no point in being in some relationships which are not meant for you. Maybe you're trying too hard on this person who has no emotions for you or something like this. You have to look for somebody who is stable, Libra. Okay, look for a strong commitment. Look for somebody who is going to be an emperor or empress in your life, not somebody who is going to be in this Knight of Wands energy, who comes and goes as they please. No. So look for a strong commitment, and I think this is coming very soon. So you just have to wait for a while and open your heart, like talk. Some of you have to talk. Maybe this person is there in your life, or this person may have come in your life, Libra, but you are just not focused on them. You are trying to reject this person. Okay, I see some of you are rejecting a marriage proposal or an offer that may have come your way recently. You're being asked to explore. Okay, you're being asked to explore. You have closed your heart. You're not willing to go out. You're not willing to know any other person. That cannot be done. Okay, how can you stay stuck in an energy where you don't want to know anybody? If you stay in that energy, you'll never find your Mr. Right or Miss Right. So I think you'll have to come out of your shell, go out, meet new people. I see an empress waiting for you, an emperor or an empress who is there for you. You just have to put in some efforts, Libra. You'll have to take some action. You cannot stay stuck angry on somebody who may have left you. And you're being asked to forgive somebody in your life. That is also very strong. So somebody who has hurt you, somebody who may have left you, whatever it is, I think you're being asked to forgive someone in your life, Libra. Life is too short. There's no point in holding on to such grudges. Alright? So just forgive and move on. You have an emperor or empress waiting for you, and I think this person will enter your life soon. For some of you, this person is already there in your life. Alright? Yeah, but there's no point in staying in pain, Libra. You'll have to heal yourself. Okay, heal yourself, know your worth, heal yourself, do the things that makes you happy. You are a beautiful soul, you are a happy soul. Know your worth, move on. Okay, move on, enjoy life. This is your life. Enjoy, go, travel, do things that you ever wished for. Go explore some other relationships. There's no point in staying stuck on an ex of yours or a relationship that is almost dead. Okay, you are like, you don't want to know anybody else. You are not willing to put efforts now. You've come to a point where you are like, no, I'm not going to put any efforts on anybody. I'm done. So you are closed off. I see you very closed off. Don't be in that energy, Libra. Move forward. Life, this is one life. This is your life. Don't waste it just like this. Okay, if somebody else left you, there is somebody else who's going to come and hold you. If one person goes, then definitely there are two other people who will come in your life. It is not that you'll never find your person. No, you will find somebody someday who is just meant for you. Your divine counterpart, your soulmate, your twin flame, whatever you may call it as. Okay, so you are destined. See, you are. This is there for you. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. You have a strong commitment that is going to come in your life, but at the right time. Okay, at the right time. Some of you are being asked to put efforts on your spouse. Could be your husband, wife, maybe you're already married to this person, and you're being asked to put efforts on your spouse. Okay, just don't neglect them. Alright, that could also be one thing. So that was that, Libra. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, so you guys take care, be safe. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.